Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can see story archives on Facebook. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you do so, tap on the three lines here, then tap on the setting icon. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll down where you will find the option your activity, and under your activity, you will find activity log. You need to tap on it. Here you will find the option archive, tap on that, and here you will find story archive. You need to tap on it, and here you will find all the stories that you have posted on Facebook before, so you will find them here. But if you cannot find any, maybe just go to the settings, and here you need to enable the save to archive option for your future stories, and then you can find it later on here. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.